Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to sign out or log out of Mint. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Open up a web browser and go to mint.intuit.com and press enter. If you're already signed into your Mint account, then you'll be able to see the main homepage of Mint Intuit. If you want to log out or sign out of your account, all you need to do is to click on the sign out button located at the bottom left hand corner. But remember that you must remember your credentials to log in back to your account. If you've got a hold of your credentials, then you can simply click on sign out and then you'll be redirected to the main sign in page for Mint. If you also want to remove your user ID, click on this remove a user ID button and click on the minus icon right in front of your registered email. So that is how you can easily sign out or log out of Mint Intuit. If you ever want to get logged in again, you'll need to visit the official URL for Mint and then go ahead and enter your credentials, that is your email and password. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.